What if I told you there's a place on the island of Rhodes where luxury, calm, and romance come together so effortlessly, you'll forget about everything else? Welcome to Atlantica Imperial Resort, a 5-star, adults-only paradise located in the peaceful town of Kolymbia. This resort is designed for couples who want to disconnect from stress and reconnect with each other, in a setting that feels like a private Mediterranean dream. If that sounds like your kind of getaway, make sure to hit the subscribe button now. You won't want to miss our upcoming hotel reviews across Greece and beyond. Atlantica Imperial Resort is situated in Kolymbia, a tranquil town on the eastern coast of Rhodes, Greece. The resort boasts 402 elegantly designed rooms, offering a variety of accommodations including swim-up suites and private pool villas, all equipped with modern amenities. The property is approximately 30 kilometers, about 19 miles, from Rhodes International Airport, making it a convenient 35-minute drive. Its prime beachfront location provides guests with direct access to the Aegean Sea, while still being within reach of local attractions and the vibrant Rhodes town. When we first arrived, the difference was immediate. There's no chaos, no rush, just warm greetings, a glass of sparkling wine, and the soft sound of lounge music drifting through the open-air lobby. The check-in process was quick and smooth, and within minutes, we were walking through beautifully manicured gardens toward our room. And let me tell you, the room alone is reason enough to stay. We booked a swim-up junior suite with a semi-private pool, and waking up to our own calm water view every morning was pure bliss. The design was clean and modern, with earthy tones, quality furnishings, and a king-sized bed that felt like a cloud. There was an espresso machine, daily stocked minibar, and even complimentary wine and snacks waiting for us. The bathroom featured both a rainfall shower and a large tub, and yes, it came with fluffy robes and high-end toiletries. The resort grounds are immaculately maintained. Walking around feels like being in a Mediterranean garden. Palm trees, olive groves, and fragrant flowers line the stone pathways. There are quiet corners everywhere, perfect for reading, sipping coffee, or just enjoying the breeze off the Aegean Sea. If you're someone who cares about food, and let's be honest, who isn't on vacation, you'll be very happy here. Breakfast is served buffet-style with a huge range of options: Greek yogurt with honey, fresh pastries, eggs made to order, and even champagne if you're feeling fancy. The a la carte restaurants were excellent too. Our favorite was the Asian fusion spot, but the Mediterranean and gourmet fine dining experiences also impressed us. Don't skip the local seafood. It's fresh, flavorful, and beautifully plated. The main pool area is large and relaxed, with enough space between sunbeds that you never feel cramped. The vibe is calm, no loud music, no pool games, just the gentle sound of water and soft lounge music. If you're a beach lover, the resort also has direct access to a pebbled but beautiful blue flag beach with crystal clear water. There are comfy loungers, waiter service, and even a beach yoga session in the morning. Entertainment here is low-key and tasteful. In the evenings, there's often live music or acoustic performances in the lounge bar. It's the kind of place where you order a cocktail, sit under the stars, and enjoy soft jazz or a Greek ballad with your partner. If you're after clubs or wild nights, this isn't the spot. But if you want peace and intimacy, it's perfect. What really stood out to us, though, was the level of service. Every staff member we met, from waiters to cleaners, seemed genuinely proud of where they worked. They remembered our names, asked about our day, and made us feel welcome in a way that didn't feel rehearsed or forced. It's rare, and it made a huge difference. Now, a few things to keep in mind. While the location is scenic and peaceful, Kolymbia itself is pretty quiet. So if you're looking to explore nightlife or city life, you'll need to rent a car or take a bus to Rhodes Town or Lindos. Also, the beach is pebbly, so beach shoes are a smart idea. And because the resort is popular with honeymooners, don't be surprised to see a lot of couples. It's not the place for solo travelers or big friend groups. Still, for a couple's retreat, Atlantica Imperial Resort ticks almost every box. Elegant setting, outstanding food, beautiful rooms, and a peaceful vibe that makes you feel like the rest of the world is on pause. So, would we come back? Without hesitation. If you're planning a romantic escape in Greece, especially to Rhodes, this place should be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest hotel reviews, and let me know in tea.